So real quick, the science, and this is like nuclear engineering 0001. The basics of all of these, the old reactors, the new reactors, is fission. You essentially split the uranium atom or plutonium atom. You send off about, on average, 2.5 neutrons, and they go on to cause more fission. What you do is you put control rods or other things that can absorb about 1.5 of those neutrons on average, leaving one to go cause fission, and you get a sustained chain reaction of fission. The fission event releases energy, and that energy then is captured and dissipated for heat. The uranium or plutonium is contained in fuel elements. What you're seeing at the top left is a fuel rod for a light water reactor and a fuel assembly that would go into a pressurized water reactor. Essentially, these are uranium dioxide fuel pellets, a solid ceramic. So those that put Simpson up in the polls, it's not the green goo you see that Simpsons typically go. It's solid material inside a fuel rod, and that rod is sealed as part of the defense in depth. They're then put into fuel assemblies. Those assemblies are placed into the reactor core, and down at the bottom right or bottom left, they're used to generate steam. Basically the existing fleet of reactors now are they just boil water, convert steam, make a turbine, spin the generator, and make electricity. And you could take out that nuclear part on the left, put a coal boiler in there, and you basically got the same system.